In this video, we'll show you how to change the automatic transmission fluid on your Ford Fusion. You can find the right transmission fluid on CarParts.com via the link in the description. It is advisable to perform the operation after using the vehicle so that the fluid is more liquid for draining and with the temperature closer to the values required for checking the levels. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford Fusion safely. Lift the front and rear of your vehicle, allowing your Ford Fusion to be level so that you can remove all of the fluid. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 7 engine splash shield retaining bolts. You can now remove the splash shield. Unscrew the drain plug with the help of a 7/16 wrench. Start the process with the wrench and finish it off by hand. Be careful on the last few turns. The fluid can squirt suddenly. You will have to anticipate this, making sure you have a fluid collector on hand. Let the fluid run out for about 10 minutes. Then wipe off the impurities on the seal with a paper towel. Check the amount of drained liquid. This will be a point of reference for the next steps. Be careful. If your gearbox was leaking or otherwise, the amount of drained liquid might be different. In our case, we drained a little bit more than half a gallon. First, screw the oil plug back on by hand before final tightening with the tool. Do not over-tighten. It is necessary to pour oil back into the gearbox at this point. This step must be done with care and precision. Put the skid plate back in place first, then lower your car back to the ground and check the oil level. This is something that can only be done when the vehicle is flat. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Remove the transmission fluid gauge. This is the orifice through which you will add the transmission fluid. You can find the transmission fluid used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Now you need to top up your transmission fluid. This step must be done with care and precision. You can use a measuring cup to prepare the recommended amount of fluid. Use a funnel to prevent fluid from leaking out next to the filler hole. Next, add the fluid. Begin by putting 30% of the amount drained. In our case, we added around 20 ounces. Then, start the engine and add 8 ounces at a time while running through all the gear level positions between additions until you reach the correct amount of oil visible on the dipstick. Remove the gauge and wipe it down. Plunge it back into its sheath. Remove it again and check the level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Repeat the whole process of draining and refilling 2 more times to flush all the contaminations from the torque converter. Next, you need to use your car for 30 minutes, as the final transmission fluid level check must be performed with the fluid at operating temperature. Once the temperature has been reached, remove the gauge and wipe it down. Plunge it back into its sheath. Remove it again and check the level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Based on the level indicated on the dipstick, readjust to obtain the optimum amount. Put the skid plate back in place, then lower your car back to the ground. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.